What's going on, guys? What's going on? All right. Hope you enjoyed your April Fools, however you celebrate it, if you do. But welcome. I just want to give a quick overview of the week. We're coming off good inflation news of PCE on Friday, and the market did rally. But we have this week is full of red folder news. We have the on Monday we have manufacturing PMI. We also going to have the services PMI on Wednesday, so two PMI reports, which is also an inflation, job openings. Then we have the unemployment rate and unemployment claims on Thursday. But although that's red folder, it's not going to have a big effect like non-farm payroll on Friday. Okay, first Friday of each month. So you definitely got to watch. Hold up on your trading before the news. Watch the reports and then market reactions to the reports. Okay, and to go over to the charts here, just to show you, as I was talking about, a good report on the PCE inflation, as there was less consumer spending for the month of February, due to based on the report, which was 0.3%, which is lower than the expected 0.4%. And the market always reacts to relativity. So, reacts to expectation. Okay, and them spending less money when consumers spending less money would be usually bad for the market. This is inflationary time, so we want less spending and we want less jobs. Become Our last job report was lower than the previous one for the opening of the year. The opening of the year was like 500,000 jobs added to the economy, and then it went down to 300,000. So let's see if we continue the downward trend of the job market, and if so, we'll have another bullish week. This is US 30, as you know. I always talk about US 30, but S&P 500 went up as well, and Nas 100 did the best, especially because of they're heavy with tech stocks in Nas 100. So that's why they were the only one that did better for the quarter. Okay, they actually had their best quarter in the past 2 years, their best first quarter. All right, with they had an increase of over 18% on this first quarter, so that is good. I did anticipate this quarter to be bearish, where which it was really flat because it came down, coming back to this is the beginning of the year, January. All right, if I do a line from the beginning of the year. Yeah, right here. All right, so a little higher, but basically the same. All right, and this is US 30, the Dow Jones. All right, so let's go down. Let's zoom in. So we're on the daily here, and we want to look for overall what we're looking for the week. All right. So this is the daily, but it is locking in with this bearish trend here. All right. Although we want to look at overall sentiment, but we are trading session to session. So even though you had bullish sentiment based off of the news on Friday, and of course we have to wait for the reports on Monday. What time is the news tomorrow morning? 10 a.m. All right, manufacturing PMI tomorrow morning. So I'm gonna be going live around 8:30 on TikTok. Tune in if you like. And if I find a trade to price in before news, but PMI shouldn't be a heavy hit. It's not a heavy hitter, so I'm most likely, hopefully, you find a trade at the beginning of the New York session. But anyway, since we're here, I'm gonna mark off liquidity from jump. All right, because this isn't too far from price. All right, and the line that I marked here is just I always note the opening price, of US 30 for the week. All right, as you see here, I zoom in on the 1 minute. All right, this is the opening price. All right, but going back up to the daily, I'm just gonna do this top to bottom. All right, price could most possibly go up here during London session. Um, I don't advise taking any trades now or even London. Wait to New York session. Wait for some structure to build. I'll look forward to possibly take out this, the liquidity from this candle. Let's go down to the 4 hour. All right, because that's we don't really have any sell side liquidity to work with. So I'll look for it to go up here and at least attempt to sweep liquidity. We'll see what we come up with afterwards. All right, going down to 1 hour. Yeah. All right. So just to measure it out, just to keep it in perspective. All right, you have 266 pips. All right, so it could do a nice upward move during London session, taking out liquidity to go in the other direction. But that's just speculation. Just what we're working with here. All right, so we'll come back, and I'll do after I get into the trade. If I find a trade to get into, we will discuss why I got into the trade, what I'm looking at, and what's to come for the week. We'll see what's up with the PMI reports, what numbers get released. If you guys have any questions in the Discord, as always, feel free to ask. As you know, I'm not shy from answering any and all questions to the best of my abilities, and tune into the live too, guys. So I'll see you guys later. Just want to come in and do an overview. All right.